Hi everyone, this is Pamela from Sri School of Yoga, and today we have a very nice routine how to improve our posture. Wrong body posture happens mainly because our lack of awareness when we are standing, sitting, walking, driving in our laptop or also with our phones. So this causes a lot of pain in our neck, shoulders, lower back and knees. So today we have a very nice routine will help us to fix all this problem. So we will start first rotating our neck to relax. So breathe in, look up. Breathe out, chin to the chest. And from your right side, start to rotate your neck. You can close your eyes, become aware of your breath and the movement. And change direction to the other side. One last round. And come to the front. Let's continue with our shoulders. Hands to the front and then place your hands on your shoulders. Your elbows are touching each other. Breathe in. Make a circle with your elbows, rotating your shoulders. Do this movement with awareness. Open your chest when you go back. And change direction. Again, you can close your eyes and become aware of your breath and your movement. And relaxed. Next, we will do arms in Gomukhasana, standing. So first, right arm up and bend and back, left to the back. And if you can, try to your fingers touch each other. And relax. Now to the other side, left up, right back. Interlock your fingers if you reach. If you don't reach, also you can pull from your t-shirt. You can do it this way. If you cannot reach with your hands, it's perfectly fine. And relax. Now we will do arms in Garudasana. First, you bring your arms to the front, bend, and the right will cross over the left elbow, and at the same time, your hands will cross each other. Become aware of this. You can close your eyes. If you cannot do this, also you can face elbows and hands in this position. Relaxed. And now the other side. Bring your hands up, cross the left towards the right, and be there. Feel the stretch in your back and your shoulders. And relaxed. So next we will do Tadasana, the mountain pose. It's a very nice pose because we will bring a lot of awareness in how we are standing. So be sure your feet are hips apart and your body weight is well distributed. First, check that you are like grabbing the floor with your feet, and so I will show you from the side. It's very important, like engage your tummy, contract your tummy muscles, and also tuck your pelvis bone inside. It will help to maintain a well posture. Otherwise, what happens? Our pelvis tilt in this way, causing lower back pain. So it's very important. Remember your feet, abdomen, pelvis, and rotate your shoulders little back, opening your chest and hands and to the sides. Your eye gaze is to the front. You can close your eyes and take a deep breath in and breathe out and become aware of all your body posture. Very nice, we will continue. Now again I shift to the side, you can be in the front, that's not a problem, I want to show from the sides. We'll continue with chair pose. So arms to the front and hips to the back. Be sure one more time, you are not tilting your pelvic bone and at the same time your knees are not more forward than your toes. Be there, sustain. Idle is 90 degrees, do as much as you can. Slowly we are going to relax. You can place your hands and your feet are in 45 degrees. We will continue with this posture of Malasana. I will show in the front. Your elbows are pushing your knees, spine erect, hands in pray position. Now from Malasana, we are going to sit down, go on your knees, and cat pose or Marshariyasana. Your hands are below your shoulders and your knees hips apart. So breathing, arch your spine, look up, navel wants to go down. Exhale, round your back, chin to the chest, navel inside. Tuck your pelvic bone and reject the floor. Once again, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2 more rounds on your own rhythm. And relax. Now tuck your toes, and from here we go to Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward dog pose. Your tailbone wants to go up, your chest wants to go towards your thighs, and your heels wants to go towards the floor. Do as much as you can. This will help us to release our lower back. From here, we are going to Chaturanga Dandasana. Place your hands below your shoulders, all body in one line. Be sure, again, your lower back is not going down. Engage your abdomen and reject the floor with your arms. Place your knees on the floor, and from here, one step forward with your hands, and slowly we go to Pavi pose or Anahatasana. You can take your chin and your chest towards the floor. If this is too much for you, you can just place your forehead. Take a deep breath in and breathe out and relax in this posture. From here, we go to our stomach. Lie down on your stomach. Chin on the floor, arms next to the body. Let's go to the bow pose, Dhanurasana. Bend your knees and grab your ankles. Breathe in, come up, chest up and thighs up. Breathe out and stay in the posture. You can pull your feet up and back, opening your chest. And slowly relaxed. Rest few seconds in Makarasana. And next, you can lie down on your back. Next, we continue with Naukasana, the boat pose. Breathe in and come up. Engage your abdomen, hands pointing your feet, open your chest. Be sure your breath is stable and your posture comfortable also. And relaxed. Now you put your hands below your buttocks, your palms are facing the yoga mat. Let's go to Mathyasana fish pose. Bend your elbows and bring your upper body up. Expand your chest, rejecting the floor with your elbows and slowly breathing out. You can place the top of your head on the yoga mat if you reach. Expand your chest, reject the floor with elbows. Slowly relax. Place your back and relax your hands. And finally, bring your knees towards your chest, hug your legs, Pawan Muktasan. Breathe in, breathe out, forehead towards your knees. Relaxed. And rest in Shavasana for a few minutes. Become aware of your whole body. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Let go any effort right now and place the entire body weight on the floor. Take a normal deep breath in and breathe out completely. Become aware of your body and surroundings. Once again, breathe in and breathe out. Now you can lie down on the right side of your body. And slowly, with the strength of your arms, come up and slowly sit up. Keep your eyes closed for a few seconds. Whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. So I hope you have enjoyed this routine and you are feeling the release in your body, feeling more loose. And this routine you can practice before start your day, before your breakfast, or when you finish your day, before your dinner. It's perfect in both occasions. From now on, let's be more aware of our postures. If we are sitting long hours with our phones or with our laptop, or while we are driving, walking, let's be more aware of our posture. This will help us a lot. Make sure you like this video. And please leave us your comments below telling us how you are feeling, and of course you can subscribe this channel for more such contents.